You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Excited to check out the Totally Gross Science Lab.
I've had my eyes on this one for a while, LPS-Dave.
You have.
Every time I lay my eyes on it, I get a little queasy.
Yeah, look at the two kids in the little corner. They look a little out there, yeah. Hair spiked up. Make fake blood, yellow snow, stinky barf, snot balls, and more.
Hair gel.
Hair gel? Where does it say? Oh, he needs hair gel. Featuring glow-in-the-dark grossness. Now, 50 experiments.
50 experiments?
If we do 2 a video.
Folks, we're going to be here for a while today, so...
We'd have to do like 5 a video to do 10 videos. So we'll have to see. I mean, ultimately, if we could do all 50 experiments, we'd be the only people in the world that have put all 50 experiments on video.
There's something to be said about being the only people in the world to do something.
Yeah.
Get the Guinness people on the phone.
We definitely need the Guinness people on this one. Let's turn this around because there's got to be more info on the back here, what we're getting ourselves involved with here.
Look at that.
Let's see. Over 50 super gross experiments. Got gross, snot slime, alien blood, stinky foam, and more.
Oh, boy.
A 36-page full-color lab book. And there, explore the principles of osmosis, density, surface tension, and more.
Wow.
Well, what do you think?
I can't think right now.
Neither can I. So let's do this now because it's such a giant box. I want to give us a nice top-down angle here. We'll open it up, check out all the pieces, and then see what we can do for experiments today.
Let's see what we can do. Let's do all 50.
Let's do all 50. That would be a long video.
See you in a few hours, folks.
All right, check this out, Butch. Giant box.
Is something going to jump out at me, or...
I hope not.
Are those 2 crazy kids going to climb out
I
of the
don't
box?
think so.
Okay, good.
Oh, there's the booklet. I see it peeking through the glass there, or plastic, whatever you want to call
I
it.
see a worm of some kind there.
Yes, this must be a mixing utensil. Or let's get this out of the way.
Worm.
Oh, there's something underneath there. Okay, it looks like decals. I wonder if that's part of an experiment.
Interesting.
Look at all this. So there's the powders and the little pipette.
A pipette.
Yeah. All right, so let's do this. Let's get some stuff going here. This looks like these go in here, huh?
Oh,
I got a couple
I would
beakers.
have never guessed that.
That's one of my favorite characters, Beaker.
Beaker.
Yeah, isn't he awesome? Yeah. You do that really good, actually.
His voice was a little lower than mine, though.
Really? All right, so that's that. Okay, looks like we're setting up here. I know it's a big top-down view, but there's a lot of pieces here. Okay, and then... Oh, I've seen these before. This is like the little ball maker set. Now, I've actually made stuff with that, so maybe that's part of this kit, huh? Okay, that's 2 pieces. Then you've got this little, what do you call it, wormy?
That's a worm.
It is a worm.
It's a dried worm.
It's pretty neat how they made that look like a worm, but it's like a scooper. Not a pooper scooper. And then
come in handy.
Blue bowl or dish. It looks like this is actually something. It's a little shape like a mold, huh? And I kind of like how they did this here, where it's got little feet on it. A lot of these don't have little feet.
Little feet.
Yeah, I see little feet. See the little feet?
Isn't that interesting?
So I can just drop it down. Okay. And then there's a black light in this kit.
Wow.
Yeah, there's a lot going on here. Or a UV light. I'm not sure exactly. Come on, buddy. Come on. Pop out. Oh, boy. Pop out. All right. Does it work? Do I have to put batteries in it? I don't know. Oh, it's on. Okay. And then the bag of stuff. There's another set of little shapes and molds here.
Wow, this is going to keep us busy for a while.
I know. We're going to do this over a course of months. Minutes. Okay, so just to kind of show you some of these, I got to put my hand there. It's hard to see everything. So this is kind of like a pile of worms, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. And there's a big centipede.
That's a big honking centipede right there.
Look at that. Also, that's one bug that really freaks me out. Here is an octopus, yes.
Oh, interesting.
And then here is a beetle of sorts. Hard to tell. But
John?
Ringo? No, none of the beetles.
Oh.
Okay, I think that's it. That's in this large package.
We're going to make 50 ingredients out of this, huh?
I have no idea what.
How can that possibly be?
It's one of those things you just jump into and, you know, lick your wounds when you figure, okay, oh, that's for the bouncy balls, so they give you that. We've used that before, by the way.
I remember.
That goes with that. That goes with that. Another little small scooper and mixer.
Non-worm scoop.
Okay, some magic growing beads.
Oh.
And this is some fake snow polymer.
Nice.
Some coloring. This is the fluorescent ink. Ink. This is the glow-in-the-dark powder.
Wow.
And then here's your little...
That, ladies and gentlemen, was a pipette sound effect.
Yes. And then we got a couple things in here. It looks like maybe a side group of experiments.
Come
Totally
on.
Gross Science Lab bonus.
Bonus!
Oh, don't tell me there's 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Really?
Is that part of the 50?
Oh my.
Now look at this giant book. Giant. Nicely done. Look at that. It's got the pictures. It's got
can you read that to me at bedtime
everything.
tonight?
Maybe we can go through this. Welcome to the Gross Lab. Congratulations.
Thank
You
you.
are the proud owner of the grossest, glowingest lab in town with the tools you need to explore the bright and disgusting sides of science. Now it's time to put your lab to work with this book full of experiments. All these projects go better when you have a grown-up to help.
I'm glad I'm here.
We better get somebody. And why keep all the fun to yourself? I don't know why, but for some of them, you absolutely must have an adult assist. The instructions will tell you which ones. If there's something you're not sure of or don't know how to do in any experiment, ask a grown-up for advice.
That's a good piece of advice right there.
Before you begin, there's a picture of the adult assistant. I don't know, we got to find someone with a
We know
mustache.
someone
You know
like
anybody with a
that.
mustache?
Interesting.
Don't eat anything.
That's impossible.
Long time, so that means it's going to be a longer experiment. Messy, glowing. And here's everything that's in the kit. 2 grown-ups, information. And then we're going to start with this page. Invisible Glo-Water.
What?
So when we come back, we're going to make this first experiment.
I am so excited. About
Yes, this is going to be fun. Okay, Butch, we are set for glow time.
It's glow time.
Now, let's just read here. It says, the science behind things that glow in the dark starts with luminescence. Pronounced luminescence.
I used to know a guy named Lou.
Yeah.
Luminescence.
A process that emits energy as light, but there's more than one kind of luminescence. The glowing experiment in this book focus on these 2. Fluorescence.
Fluorescence.
And then phosphorescence. Wow, those are big words.
Words.
They spell them out there. Invisible glow water. Can you make water glow in the dark? Okay, so we're going to try this one now. And then there's also this bonus, gross bonus. Freeze tonic water into ice cubes. Place ice cubes in a glass of water and turn on the lights. Shine your black light activator on the glass and tell your friends it's alien ice. Ultraviolet light. Your black light activator emits waves of invisible light called ultraviolet light. The tonic water contains quinine. I like how they spell it all out for us. A chemical that glows or fluoresces under UV light. The UV light excites the electrons in the quinine and they grow.
Glow.
Oh, and they grow.
Grow.
And they grow. And they glow. All right, so this is
Cracking me
everything
up, LPS-Dave.
everything that comes with the kit. Okay, they tell you what you need to bring out, the tools you need, the ingredients, bubble beakers and slime stand, funnel, measuring spoons, blacklight activator. Now the stuff we need to supply is water. Now this guy I just wanted in here because he just looks cool. And then the tonic water with quinine contains quinine.
See, I would have pronounced that quinine.
Oh, well, I guess.
I'm glad they did it right.
They have KWY9, yeah. And then tablespoon and teaspoon. Nice color coding there you did.
Those are funky.
They are. But they're made to sit flat, so you can put your spice in there off to the side, and it's not like, oh, everything's dropped off.
Brilliant.
I've used them many times in videos. Maybe you haven't been there for those videos, but I
don't think I have.
I think you understand. All right, so here we go. Are you ready for experiment?
Boy, I'm ready.
Number 1.
I love these instant result experiments.
This is what it is. Set both bubble beakers in the stand. Did we do that?
Check.
Okay. With the funnel in place, pour the tap water into 1 beaker. Okay, so we'll do this one here. It is 2 tablespoons of tap water. Here we go.
Careful.
I'm going to be as careful as I can. 1. Okay.
Steady.
I know. It's hard to do when you're
Easy.
working
Don't spill.
on angles like this.
Don't spill.
I'm trying not to.
Nice job, LPS-Dave.
Thanks.
Oh, I can talk.
You make me more nervous.
Careful.
One.
Careful.
Okay.
Steady.
I'm trying to be steady.
Don't shake.
Oh, you're making me shake. Oh, I didn't dribble.
Don't spill.
No dribbling.
Experiment. Careful.
Okay.
Nice.
All right.
Nice. Whew.
Add
that's
fluorescent
nerve-wracking.
ink to the water and stir. Hey, they didn't tell me to bring a stirrer in. Did they say anywhere to bring a
I
stirrer?
didn't see a stir.
I don't see it in the picture. Okay, so this is the fluorescent ink. They want 1 teaspoon of fluorescent ink.
1 teaspoon.
That's a lot for what's in the little bottle here.
I can't imagine.
1 teaspoon. That's what it says. That's what it says. That's going to take everything I own.
No.
Look
We're
at how
not gonna
cool
be able
that bubbles in there. That's really neat. Okay, add fluorescent ink to the water and stir. I'm being...
Definitely don't spill that.
I don't want to spill this.
Oh my
Here we
goodness,
go,
that would
here we
ruin
go.
everything. Nice.
Ooh, that was cool.
So nervous.
You make me more nervous than I think I need to be.
Thank
Okay.
you. Just keeping you thinking.
Thanks, buddy. And then stir, okay?
Isn't that nice?
That is. It fits perfectly in there. Okay.
We got a rogue cap roller.
I
around
noticed
back there.
that. I think I need to clean the funnel because I need that funnel again. All right, move the funnel and pour tonic water into the other beaker. Now, I don't want to have all the stuff in there, do I?
That's right.
Let's rinse that out. Ooh, that was cool, too.
That was cool.
Experiments are happening whether we want them to happen or not. All right, I got a little towel off to the side here. You just entertain everybody with some...
Oh, we're gonna make a water glow.
Yes, we are going to make water glow.
We're gonna make water glow.
Okay. Okay, there we go.
That's all I had.
Now it
LPS-Dave,
says
sorry.
move the funnel. Look at my finger. Move the funnel and pour tonic water into the other beaker. How much tonic water?
How much time?
Well, let me know. You're working there. You got to do
2
something.
tablespoons, 30 milliliters LPS.
Oh,
Dave.
this stuff usually explodes everywhere. Oh, nice. Not overly gaseous.
I'll speak for yourself.
Okay. 2 teaspoons, you said?
2 tablespoons.
Oh, 2
LPS,
tablespoons.
Dave.
Here we go.
Careful, this is really bubbly, so be careful.
I know.
Careful. Careful. Steady.
Okay, I'm trying. I should just try to pour with my left hand. Then I can keep this in here. Here we go.
Nice.
1. All right, here we go. I'm going to do this way now. Let's see if I could left hand pour.
Wow.
Ooh, I just made it. Couple drips, but... Okay.
Beautiful.
Look at that. Experiment number 1, I think, is set. Turn off the lights and shine your black light activator on both beakers. What do you see? Look carefully at the tonic water. Do you notice a slight greenish glow?
A greenish glow.
Remember, we're learning about fluorescence and phosphorescence.
Very nice.
We'll be right back. All right, we are back, Butch. Took me a second to get the camera focus there.
Yeah, boy.
Okay,
oh
so
boy.
the one with the quinine. Look
I
at
see
that.
bubbles.
That's pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah, there are bubbles in there. Let's move it over to the one with the special ink.
Wow,
Look at that.
it looks like the sun.
It does look like the sun. Let me do it from the side and see if we... Ooh, look at that.
Wow.
I think we're going to have fun doing all these experiments.
Boy, are we ever.
This one doesn't seem too gross, though.
Well, it depends how you define gross, really.
Yeah, I guess it does. Let me see if I can just light them both here. Come on, camera. Oh, there you go. All right.
How about that?
I think that's pretty cool.
Success.
Experiment number 1 is a success. So
Yes,
we
it
will come
is.
back now, clean this all up, and then we will continue on and do another experiment together.
Yeah.
Which, by the way, is the invisible glowing ink.
That's impossible.
Doesn't that sound cool? Like an alien light, searchlight.
It's invisible Glo-Water.
All right, we'll be right back. I'm just playing. All right, so experiment number 1, a success.
Definitely a success, LPS-Dave.
Not completely gross, but interesting. Which did you like better, the orange or the quinine?
I'm a big fan of quinine. I like bubbles.
You like bubbles.
Makes me gassy.
So now we're going to do the invisible glow ink. Turn off the lights to see a glowing message. Well, after we get this all set.
Yeah, not yet.
The ink in your kit contains fluorescent materials. These materials absorb the invisible UV rays from your blacklight activator and re-emit them as visible light you can see. Other household items that glow under a blacklight include petroleum jelly,
Really?
some detergents, and toothpastes.
What?
And a special strip embedded in the U.S. $20 bill.
I've never had a $20 bill before, LPS-Dave.
Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. All right, these are the items up top here that come with the kit. We also need to provide a paintbrush or a Q-tip.
Q-tip.
A sheet of paper so we can draw on. A measuring device. And, of course, a water. Let me get this out of here. I'm going to keep this nice. We know we need paper. I don't need to show it. And then the water, okay? So let me do a little quick. I think I can do it right here. We'll see.
You think?
Yeah, I got to move you out of the way. Can you?
Go for it.
There you go, buddy. Okay, and then I'm good there. All right, here we go.
Oh, boy.
Now,
I'm so nervous.
measure water into mixing cup. Okay, how much water do we need? 3 tablespoons water. Here we go. Don't be nervous. It's easier for me to do
Breathe
this
in
one.
through it.
1, 2.
I just don't want to ruin the experiment.
You won't. 3. Okay, and then next I need to add the luminescence, right?
2 drops
2 drops.
of fluorescent ink.
Add 2 drops of fluorescent ink and then stir. Oh, well, see, they don't tell me to have that ready.
The old stirrer trick again.
Why are they doing that to me? Here we go.
All right.
2 drops.
Count them out for you.
Please.
Almost 1. 1. Almost 2. 2!
Ooh, that was so
Nicely
cool
done.
seeing that go in there. Okay, paint your. Okay, add 2 drops of and stir. Okay. I guess that won't show up on the white paper, huh?
Very interesting.
Paint your message on white paper. Wait a few minutes for it to dry. Turn off the lights and shine the black light. Oh,
Huh. Interesting.
what am I going to
Wonder
say
what
with
secret
my?
message
Yeah,
we're
I
gonna
don't
say.
know.
Huh.
All right, here we get this in here. I got some water on my tabletop, but that's okay. All right, let me bring my invisible ink here, and then I'm getting set here. Here we go. I will adjust the lighting just a little bit darker. Okay, and here we go.
What are you gonna write?
I'm gonna write I.
Don't tell me I'm gonna be surprised.
Yeah,
I won't look.
there. Can you see the eye there? You can barely see it.
You don't know. I'm not sure.
I want W A N T. I want. The last word is lunch.
Bacon. Lunch.
Yeah, I hope we can go on after this and have some lunch. Okay, so we'll let this sit. Okay, for a couple minutes.
Gotta let it dry.
Yes, because the orange activator needs to go in there. I'm just doing some other little creative stuff, you know.
Just being you.
Yeah. All right, everybody, we will turn off the lights. We will come back and we'll shine lights upon our I want lunch sign here.
Yes.
There we go. I think I got it pretty good. All right, we'll be right back.
I'm excited.
All right, Butch. Can you read the secret message I'm trying to show you? Here you go.
I
Uh-huh.
wart
I wart.
lunch.
Yes, I want lunch. Now,
Want. I
don't
thought because
be
this is
funny.
this is a gross science experiment. I thought it was something about
now,
warts.
so if we take the light off, of course, you can kind of see some color change here. Let me let it, just give it a second to come back into focus. It should eventually.
Imagine delivering a telegram to someone that just looks like blank.
Yes, that's what it's for.
And then it says,
There we are. I want lunch. With little blood splatters everywhere. Look at that. All right, so that experiment worked. What do you think?
So cool.
Should we try to squeeze in one more?
Oh.
Experiment number 3.
There's 48 more LPS-Dave.
Yeah,
so
we got a
I'm
lot to
in.
do. All right, let's do one more. All right, experiment number 3.
You
Now-
sure you want to push it? We are 2 for 2 right now. You
Well, we
think
need to
can
we
pull
need
off
to
a
push
third
the
one?
envelope here. There's a lot to get through. Invisible Glo-Water.
Check.
There you go.
Success.
Invisible glow ink.
Check.
Okay.
Success. 2 paws up.
Now Glotion.
Glotion.
Yes.
Interesting.
Sparkle in the dark. So let's see. The glow powder is made from zinc sulfide, a phosphorescent material. It absorbs energy when the lights are on and releases that energy when the lights go out. When you shine the black light on your hand, it excites the electrons in the zinc sulfide. The glow happens when the electrons drop back down to their normal state, which begins when you turn off the black light activator. The reflecting back of light happens at a slower rate than it takes to absorb it. Translation, the glow lasts longer than it takes to charge it up.
Should have done a rhyme there. The glow lasts longer than
I guess
charge
I
is
could have
stronger.
rhymed there. All right, here we go. We are now prepping here. Now this needs actual lotion, which you supply. I'm using the Apples and Tree lotion.
Sunlight and
yeah.
apple trees.
From Bath and Body Wash.
What?
I don't know.
Wow. Wow.
All right, here we go.
special.
It's going to smell good.
That's from the private stock.
The private stock, yeah. It was the only lotion I could find that was white in the house. You know, I used the clear, and that one, I guess that might have worked, the clear one, huh?
I wonder.
Glow in the dark powder. Okay. Are you ready?
Boy, am I ready. I can't imagine what this is going to look like.
Measure the lotion into the mixing cup. How much lotion? Check.
Why is there a cockroach on the page there, LPS?
I'm not sure what the cockroach represents. Okay, so
All right, 1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon.
Of apple lotion.
Pretty good, huh? Pretty good? Will you accept that? Oh, that smells so good.
Smell that.
After that lunch message, I'm
Smells like
getting a little hungry here. All right, and then let's see. What is the next step? Go ahead.
Smells like the apple tray I used to fertilize when I was a little puppy, LPS.
I'm sure it does.
Add the glow powder.
Okay,
It's
how much?
blended. 3 of those little baby scoops.
Yeah, it doesn't really say an actual amount in regards to
Oh boy.
tablespoons or teaspoons.
Yeah,
It just says 3 scoops.
3 baby scoops.
Here we go.
It doesn't say if they're heaping or not.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Don't. I won't sneeze. Careful.
Can you count that out for me?
Uno.
Thank you.
Doso.
Okay.
3.
Now what?
Rub some of the solution.
Oh no, I gotta mix
stir
it. Yes.
Sorry.
Turn off the. Okay, rub some of the. Okay, yeah. Where are we at?
Back up, number 2.
Mix. Here we go. Here we go.
We are jumping way ahead. Boy, that smells divine.
I know. Doesn't that smell good?
Where can we get an apple pie? I need an apple pie.
I don't know.
Do you like cheese on your apple pie, LPS?
I don't. Not something I would normally
Me
prescribe
neither.
to.
Some people like that. It's weird. I like chocolate sauce.
So basically, I need to turn off the lights, right? Mm-hmm. All right.
You got to put it on your hand.
A lot of lights on, lights off.
That's right. It's the scientist kid.
Yeah, the Miyagi scientist kid. All right. And then now look at the picture. I was a little taken back by the picture. It looks almost like
Really loading that lotion
I know.
on there.
It says a little bit.
It looks like he's got some hairs growing through the
Rub
lotion.
some
too.
of the Yeah, I know. I noticed that as well. All right, so we're going to turn off the lights and finish up with number 3 here. All right, Butch, I am charging now.
Charge it up, LPS.
Before I put it on my
crazy.
hand. I know. Here we go. Watch. I'll just turn it off. Can you see it glow? Ooh, that works pretty good. All right, so let me get my hand in here. Can you see my hand?
I see it.
Okay, let me get a glove on here. That looks really good. That smells so good.
Oozy,
I know.
oozy.
Here we go. All right, let's charge this up. Say when. Ooh, look, there's still some of the orange on there. All right, here we go. Ooh, that's pretty cool, huh? Let's do this. Let me just pretend like I'm using hand lotion, even though I don't normally use scented hand lotion.
And you certainly don't use fluorescent hand lotion.
No, but here we go. Oh, that is cool.
Oh, man.
Let me charge her up. I got the orange on there.
Boy, you
Look
could
at
freak
that.
some people out with that one, LPS.
Yeah. That one works pretty good. All right, so that is the Glotion. Do you like the Glotion?
Glotion, big fan.
Big fan of the
I think
Glotion.
we're going to start marketing Glotion.
We should. All right, so we're going to come back now and wrap it up.
Wrap it up.
Check that out, Butch.
Boy, it looks a lot different now, doesn't
It is. Now I'm going to have glowing hands.
Glowing, smell good hands.
Yes. Oh, that's why I normally don't like that scented stuff on me.
But actually, it's helping kind of mask the rest of your smell right now, LPS-Dave.
What are you
We're in
talking
close
about?
quarters.
Nothing gross. I haven't done anything smelly. All right, so what do you say? Experiment here. Let's just go over it one more time. Invisible Glo-Water.
That's a hit.
We're going to do this. We'll put up a poll. And we'll ask them which experiment they like the best.
Good idea.
Invisible glow ink. And then finally, the Glotion.
Glotion.
Now what's coming up is Ooey Glowy Oobleck. Snot Slime. Now
boy.
we're talking.
I can do some of those right now. We don't even need the experiment.
Glowing Slime. So it looks like we have 3 fun experiments coming
Kind of
up.
a theme right there.
Stink balloons, stink
like
bubbles.
Hey, we made a stink balloon a couple videos ago. You remember that?
We sure did. Glowing gross volcano, soap monster, and so on. So we'll hit these.
Sounds like we're getting grosser pretty quick.
I think so. All right, so let us know which of the 3 you like the best. If you like this kit in general, we need to hear about it in the comments section.
Yes.
It's a really nice book, by the way.
It really is. Good job, Paul Beck and Nancy
W. Cortelu.
Cortelu.
And if you want to see more weird stuff like this, we've done all kinds of science kits together.
Lots.
I'll have a link in the description. You can check those out. Take that poll, and thanks for watching. Later.
Bye-bye, everybody.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave,
What's up, Butch?
make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.